Alright, thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is your host, the Vulcan. First and foremost, I want to thank all of you who have shown extreme kindness in my absence. I haven't been feeling well, and I'm back now, so thank you for all of your prayers and support and all of your kind deeds and words. And those of you who know who you are, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for my family as well. I really appreciate all the love and the support and encouragement that you guys showed me, and I love you right back. That's why I will say this to you again, that if you look and you don't see a Vulcan report, please check the blog at polscan.blogspot.com, because when I don't have the time or the ability to do a video, I will at least try to update the blog. So, for those of you who caught the blog for yesterday, go ahead and take profit on the move. Ticker symbol MOO. That one is up substantially today. It gapped up from the open. So if you took the long yesterday and you bought in at the $42 level, you are sitting very pretty today. Go ahead and take profit, get the heck out of the market, and live to trade another day. We'll see how it moves today, but I got out. I took profit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got out. I moved my stop, and it got hit. And I'm out. I'm out with profit, and I'm happy about it. If we get another signal, we'll go ahead and try to do something tomorrow. Now you're looking at this printout here. As you see, I've highlighted move. It was a buy-in today at 42.49, or it gapped up on the open, so you would not have been filled if you traded that and executed it right. Remember how I told you we use stop limits. We get in on stop limits and we get out on stop limits. Not regular stops, stop limits. That keeps you from getting burned, like on gap days. Like if the market gaps up open, if it gaps higher on the open or lower, you don't get burned. You never want to get filled at a bad price. Like today with the move, gapping up on the open, you don't want to get filled at the gap open, because if it's $2, $3, $4 away, what if it pulls back from there? You know what I mean? It fills the gap on the same day. You don't want to have to rise and set through that. Or what if it's a head fake? You just want to get your money and get out. Okay, that's what you pirates do. All right, so on the move, that trade would have been beautiful if you got it yesterday. If you took today's trade, you wouldn't have got it. All right, next one here, home builders. Long at 14.29 with a stop at 13.98. I'm sorry, that's a short at 13.98 with a buy stop at 14.29. All right, as you can see here on the side, this one is somewhat consolidated, but it is in a downtrend, so you want to see if it's going to continue to probably pop up a little bit and rally and connect to the stock market. If that's the case, you probably want to build on that one. All right, bonds. Bonds have been hot. Today is along at 104.93. That one could probably end up developing into another pulse wave. We could get really high in the bonds. All right, it's just the nature of the beast. All right, tips, same thing. Long 107.80 with a stop of 107.51. Very tight stop on that one. TDT, the ultra short on the bonds. On this one, you're looking to sell it, because as the counterparts rally, this one's going to crash. But you want to make money on that too. Sell it at 32.42 to stop at 33.03. Next one, SDS ultra short S&P. For the short term, you're gonna look to sell that. Tuesday should be an up day for the stock market, so you're gonna want to sell these. That's a short at 33.38, stop at 34.36. Move, we already discussed that. JJG on the grains. That's a long at 41.63 with a stop at 40.25. I'm expecting for the commodities markets and gold and silver to break out substantially and go really, really, really hard. I'll be doing some updated videos on that in a little bit, and we'll get into more detail about why that's happening. GLD long at 119.84, stop at 119.44. This one is developing into a pulse wave. And you remember what I told you about the pulse waves? Those are the ones that give up the money. So we're looking at getting deep in the mid 120s on this one by week's end. So this one could really pay us. So you want to go ahead and get in where you fit in on the GLD. Alright, looking at the currency ETFs. Looking at the yen. This one's along at 116.20 with the stop at 115.94. The next one is the Swiss franc, ticker symbol FXF. This one's along at 95.81 with a stop of 95.41. Again, pulse wave developing on this one. This one's going to try to pay us. I think this Swiss franc will probably get to par by the end of the week. Next one is the Aussie, Australian dollar. That's along at 90.11 with a stop of 89.26. This one is also in a nice uptrend. Next one is the ultra short Dow. Go ahead and sell that at 27.11 with a stop at 27.82, at least for the short term. And then the last one on the list is the commodity softs, the DBA. Pulse wave developing there. Go along with 26.25 with a stop at 25.86. That's all we got today. I will try to do some more videos explaining some more things, looking at some charts, going over some things that I've been looking at. In the meantime, take what you can, give nothing back.